Okay. Open up your present. Only, what, 2 weeks late?
Dude, there's like 80 freaking things around it.
Let me zoom in on it. Oh, look at all the hotties.
I know.
Oh, all the hotties you're going to have on your chest.
Hold on. Gotta make sure it fits.
It was not the result of my parents having stayed together, so you know.
Oh, I hope it fits. Oh my god, they even have like those Harry's ones.
Fundraiser.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
Back in her room.
You're videotaping this whole time.
I'm like, where'd she go? Do you like it?
I'm gonna wear this like every day.
Worth the wait?
I love it, I love it.
You're a wing nut. What do you say?
Thank you. I've been so